Hello viewers. If today is your first time of being on this channel, kindly click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. On today's show, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a spaghetti meal in a Ghanaian way, or in my own way. So stick to this video and watch till the end. Thank you. So this is my ingredients for the meal. I have eggs there, I have spring onions, I have carrots, tomatoes, onions, and green pepper. Oh, I forgot, I have powdered pepper too. You can decide to take it out or you can add it. I have maggi in there. Over there, I have my frying pan and my saucepan for cooking there. I didn't want to take much time, so over there I have a few cups of water in my saucepan. That is where I am going to cook the noodles for the spag. I'm going to leave it like this for it to boil for some time, like let's say 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, then I'll drop my noodles inside. That way my noodles won't be very soft. There will be enough heat to cook the indomie in a very short time. And decide to break them into pieces, but okay, I like them long, so I'll just break them to 2, then pour them in the water. Okay, now allow it to boil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then you check whether it is soft to your satisfaction. Then separate the water from the noodles. It's almost 5 minutes. As you can see, it's already boiling. So we are going to test whether it is soft enough for me. And I will drain the water out. Okay, I've been able to drain the water out of it. Now I have my noodles very dry. It should be very dry. It shouldn't be watery or very soft. It should be dry. Make sure it's dry. Here are my ingredients. Let's see, 10% done. Yeah, so I'm going to let the frying pan dry a bit, then I will pour in my oil, then start. or you can decide to add your eggs to your vegetables while frying them. I decided to scramble my eggs so that I won't have any issue. Onions in there, spring onions and green pepper in there. I'm left with my tomatoes and carrots. I'm going to add it soon. Too much maggi because I'm going to add salt in addition. I just keep this one around. This is my spag. I'm going to add my spag to it. My spag is ready, so this is the end result. You can see everything in there: the eggs, the onion, the carrot, the small onion, the red pepper, the green pepper.